The great Anaconda migration, in the verdant heart of the Amazon, where life flows and instinct governs all creatures, an ancient summons echoed. The dry season was approaching more fiercely than ever before, causing the swamps to recede and the rivers to narrow. Beneath the mud of a shallowing lake, an anaconda matriarch awakened. She was not alone. Dozens, perhaps hundreds of other anacondas, no less massive and ancient, also sensed the signal. A great migration to the headwaters, to the lands of eternal water, was about to begin. From the vantage point of a drone, scores of dark, undulating forms cut across the water's surface, stirring the last of the stagnant, muddy pools. Not confined to the water, the most colossal anacondas, as massive as ancient tree trunks, slid through the flooded groves, gliding over the high treetops. Below on the ground, the younger snakes, their forms still formidable, pushed through the decaying leaves and roots, following their giant elders as part of the relentless flow. As the migration pushed deeper, they met the harsh challenges of the changing forest. One morning, while crossing a sun-scorched clearing, they were threatened by an aggressive herd of peccaries. Dozens of giant anacondas lowered themselves, forming a living wall, inflating their throats and emitting deep, resounding hisses. The peccary herd, though numerous, faltered before the immense wall of rising serpents. The standoff was brief, bloodless, but it asserted the overwhelming dominance of the migration. Energy was paramount. Along the route, the great migration paused at the few remaining river branches. With overwhelming numbers and terrifying power, they hunted in coordination. The larger anacondas lurked underwater while others slithered through the riverside brush to drive prey. The sight of multiple anacondas simultaneously constricting capybaras and even small caimans was a testament to their collective power and primal instinct. After weeks of traversing rivers, swamps, and canopies, the migration finally sensed the call of the headwaters. An aerial view once again revealed their grand scale, a wide, powerful river rushing through a series of rapids and a magnificent waterfall. This was the final barrier. Dozens of giant anacondas threw themselves into the furious current, their massive bodies twisting, gripping onto submerged rocks, hauling themselves upstream. Finally, one by one, they conquered it. The great anaconda migration slid into a safe haven in the headwaters, where deep pools and eternal rivers offered life. Looking down from above, hundreds of anacondas could now be seen relaxing in the new waters, some coiled on large, sun-drenched rocks, others gliding through the clear depths. The migration was over, but the story of the Amazonian giant snake's indomitable will to survive would echo on, a reminder of the power and wild beauty of our planet.